Lori Greiner's most successful Shark Tank products.
I'll make you a millionaire within a year. Mine just went to 2.
Whoa! Scrub Daddy, you suck.
Number 3, Scrub Daddy. Aaron Krause, the inventor of Scrub Daddy, turned his idea into a massive business after appearing on Shark Tank. In 2011, he created a sponge that changes texture depending on the water temperature. He first tried it in auto shops, but soon realized it was perfect for cleaning dishes without scratching. On Shark Tank, Aaron asked for $100,000 in exchange for 10% ownership of Scrub Daddy. Lori Greiner, one of the investors, saw the product's potential. She offered $200,000 for 20% of the company, and Aaron accepted. With Lori's help, Scrub Daddy quickly expanded. The sponge sold out on QVC and was soon in thousands of stores. By 2014, Scrub Daddy's sales hit millions, and by 2022, total sales had reached $926 million. Today, the company has 273 employees and sells its products in over 257,000 stores worldwide. Aaron's smart decision to partner with Lori turned Scrub Daddy into one of the most successful Shark Tank products ever. Number 2, Squatty Potty. Bobby and Judy Edwards had a simple mission: to fix the way people use the bathroom. They created the Squatty Potty, a footstool designed to help people sit in a healthier squatting position while using the toilet. This posture reduces strain and improves colon health. With their bold idea, they walked into Shark Tank during season 6, asking for $350,000 in exchange for 5% ownership of their business. The numbers impressed the sharks. The Squatty Potty cost $4.50 to make, but sold for $25, offering huge profit margins. Lori Greiner saw the potential and offered $350,000 for 10% ownership, which the Edwards family accepted. After the episode aired, the investment paid off big time. They sold $1 million worth of products in just 2 days and landed deals with major stores like Bed Bath & Beyond. The company became a huge success, earning $175 million in sales by 2015, and lifetime sales have now reached over $260 million. Number 1, EverlyWell. In 2017, Julia Cheek brought her company EverlyWell to Shark Tank. She asked for a $1 million investment in exchange for 5% ownership of her at-home lab testing business. Julia started EverlyWell in 2014 after facing confusing lab results and surprise bills. She spent $2,000 on tests, but never got clear answers. This inspired her to make health testing easy, affordable, and understandable. EverlyWell partnered with certified labs to create kits that people can purchase online or in stores and use at home. The sharks were impressed by her $2.2 million in sales, but worried about the high costs of growing the company. Lori Greiner believed in Julia's vision and offered a $1 million line of credit at 8% interest for the 5% share. Julia accepted, and this deal changed everything. After Shark Tank, EverlyWell's sales soared. The company expanded its product line to include tests for food sensitivities, allergies, and even sleep issues. During the COVID-19 pandemic, EverlyWell introduced home testing kits, boosting lifetime sales to $1.1 billion. By 2021, the company had acquired 2 other businesses, raising its value to $3 billion. Today, EverlyWell offers 34 at-home test kits, with prices that fit most budgets. Customers can buy them online or at major stores like CVS and Target. Thanks to Lori's investment and Julia's leadership, EverlyWell has become one of the biggest Shark Tank success stories, helping millions take control of their health.